welcome back to my channel. My name is Tracy and my channel is called SoGel and Beauty. So if you're new here and you want to subscribe to my channel, then hit that little red button down below. Also hit the notification bell because that will tell you when I next upload. I've just got to start by saying thank you so much. I am so close to 1,000 subscribers, and to some people that's not a lot, but to me that is so much. That is so many friends, so many people comment on my video and are literally telling me they like what they see. So I just wanted to start off by saying thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers nearly. We are literally 4 away from 1,000, so it just makes me so happy. So again, thank you so much for that. On today's video, I wanted to tell you all about a subscription box that I subscribe to each month. It costs me £8 a month and it is so worth it. Let me just tell you that right now. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that. I actually pay for this with my own money, but I wanted to tell you guys about it because it is such a worthwhile product to subscribe to. So you've probably seen from the title what I'm talking about, and it is this here, the Glossy box. It is amazing. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. It is a really beautiful baby pink with a classic black logo on it. Basically, you get 5 beauty products in this box. You don't know what you're going to get until you've got it. You do get, from the box before, you get a little sneak peek of what you're going to get in next month's box. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by opening this. There's a little leaflet inside. Basically the packaging again, it is like this inside with a little print inside, and it's all okay. So my cat is going absolutely mad at the minute. If you can hear anything today, it is my kitten. We bought her a little tent and she's playing in that bit. It makes so much noise, so I'm sorry about that guys, but that is what the noise is. So basically, as you can see, it's all tied up with a ribbon inside, which is really pretty, and then you get this little leaflet. This month's leaflet, it is actually the July Glossy box. So this month is their holiday haul, and they have lots of things that you can take away on holiday with you, which is so good. So to start off with, they say, hey Glossies, July is all about summer vibes. Whether you're soaking up the British sun, which is so hot outside today, it is like 35 degrees outside, which is why I am sweating. Whether you're soaking up the British sun or jetting off on your jollies, our holiday haul edit has all your travel beauties needs covered. And this month you get a cleanser, which is this one here. Underneath you get a Palmer's bronzer, which is this one here. These are all miniature sizes, like I said, so easy to take away with you. You get a, is that a Moroccan oil? You get Moroccan oil, you get a full size mascara, and then you get a couple little masks. So on the back of each leaflet, it tells you, it gives you a sneak peek of what you're going to get in next month's one, and next month is August, which makes me so happy because it is my birthday month. And I have just noticed they've got a Huda Beauty. Is this a lipstick gloss? Oh my god, it's a metallic lip gloss. That is going to be so nice. I actually don't own anything Huda Beauty, so that to me is birthday goals already. So it says it's our birthday next month, so it's their birthday next month as well. It's our birthday next month and we're marking the special occasion the only way we know how, with pink sparkles and glitter. That just makes me sparkle in ways I cannot describe. I love sparkles, I love glitter, I don't care my age, I just love it. When you open the box, this is what you get. All your little products are in here, all supported by tissue paper that's inside of it. I go through everything that's in the box and I'm going to read a little bit about it for you. So the first thing I pulled out is this cleanser. Even the packaging just looks so classic and expensive. This cleanser is worth £18, and for a full size of 150ml it is worth £52. This is a 13ml. This cleanser not only removes makeup and impurities but energises and revitalises your skin, perfect after a day spent in the sun, which we all need. And at the minute it is 35 degrees like I said, so this will go down really well. In the box is this Palmer's bronzer, and I actually got the dark one, which is so good for me because I'm quite tanned anyway. I've got naturally olive skin, so as soon as the sun's out my skin just tans. I'm not boasting here, but it does. So the dark one is absolutely brilliant for me. It says it's a gradual tan for all skin types. I have tried this before. It's got coconut oil in it and it is so nice. It is, like I said, it's a gradual tan, so you put it on one day and then the next day and you gradually get a really nice glossy tan. So this little one here is a 20ml and it retails at £2.49. It also says simply apply the lotion once a day. Remember to wash your hands after applying it, and it gradually builds your tan after a few days, which is what we all need. Next in the box is this Moroccan oil. This stuff is amazing for your hair, and it also says it's for all hair types. So like I said, it's a Moroccan oil treatment, so you put it on your hair, and this says it not only protects and rescues sun damaged hair, but it works as a conditioning, styling and finishing tool. So use it to nourish damp hair before blow drying, or apply it to dry locks to smooth frizz and flyaways, which I always seem to have flyaways, always. So this stuff I am going to absolutely love. This is a 25ml and it is worth £13.45. Now that just shows this box is definitely worth getting, because if you're only paying £8 and this is worth nearly £14, then it's a no-brainer. Little face mask, I think. Okay, so you get one or the other with this one. So I just got one of these, and I got the Tea Tree Witch Hazel one, which is absolutely good for me because I have quite big open pores, and this one is absolutely brilliant for that. So it just looks like this. Deep cleanse and tightens pores to help remove blackheads, and it is a peel off mask, which I absolutely love peel off masks. I love putting a mask on and just being able to peel it off and you are done. Say hello to your fresh and healthy summer glow, infused with soothing tea tree oil and witch hazel. Both these face masks remove dirt and impurities from pores. Whether you receive the peel off mask or the charcoal one, you'll have clearer and brighter looking skin in just 15 minutes. That sounds good to me, girls. And this retails at, for a 10ml is worth £1, which is again something I wouldn't normally go and pick up, so why not put it in my box? Next up in the box we have a full size item, and it is this mascara. I absolutely love the packaging on this. It's like twisted. I just think that's really cool. Now this, like I said, is a full size mascara, and you will not believe how much this is worth. It is worth £23. That just shows on its own that paying £8 a month and you get a £23 mascara in there, it is so worth it. Now this says, when you've got a gorgeous golden tan, sometimes the only makeup you need is a touch of mascara. That is so true. When you're on holiday, you don't want to be plastering on the makeup. You just want a little bit of mascara and go. And it also says this mascara will give you longer and fuller looking lashes. Better yet, its hydrating formula ensures clump and flake free finish. Now that is definitely what I want in a mascara. I can't stand a mascara that clumps up your eyelashes and makes you look like you've got spider legs on your eyelashes. Don't go there. So that's everything I got in July's box, and I cannot wait for August's box. I am so happy with what I got today. As you can see, it is so worth the money. £8 a month, and I get it for 12 months, which is so good. Now if you are interested in any of these products that I got today and you think that you may be interested in the August ones, then I will leave a link down below that you can click on and go and have a look at that one. So if you want to see next month's Glossy box, then just let me know in the comments down below. And thanks for watching today, guys. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button if you like this video today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little button down below, and I'll see you on my next one, guys. Love you all. Bye. Mwah.